Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Infinity Math. Let's watch the mystery of the missing treasure. One day, Alex the adventurer found an old map hidden in his grandfather's attic. The map showed the way to a treasure, but there was a problem. The final location was locked behind a mystery equation. The puzzle on the map read, to unlock the treasure, solve x plus 3 equals 7. Alex scratched his head. How do I figure out x? Let's watch till the end to know how he was able to solve this mystery equation and find the treasure. Say the equation is x plus 3 equals 7. So we always try to isolate x in this equation. So we do opposite of addition, subtraction. So subtract 3 on both sides of the equation to isolate x. So when we subtract 3 on both sides of the equation and simplify this, you get the answer. So 7 minus 3, it's 4. So x equals 4. Let's see the next question. Say the question is x minus 5 equals 10. Again, to isolate x, we do the opposite of subtraction. So adding 5 on both sides of the equation. So 10 plus 5, that gives you 15. So the value of x is 15. That's the answer. Let's see the next question. Say if 3x equals 12. Here 3 is being multiplied to x. You do the opposite of multiplication. So that's division. Yes, divide by 3 on both sides of the equation to get rid of 3 on the left side. So x can be isolated. Now 12 divided by 3, which is 4. So the value of x is 4. Let's see the next example. See if x divided by 2 equals 8. What is the value of x? As x is divided, now you multiply by 2 on both sides of the equation. So when we multiply by 2 on both sides and simplify this, so you get the value of x. So 8 times 2, which is 16. So x equals 16. That's the answer. Let's see the next question. Say if 2x plus 3 equals 11. Again, to isolate x, we try to get rid of 3 and 2. First thing is, to get rid of 3, subtract 3 on both sides of the equation. We always do the opposite operation. Now, 11 minus 3 on the right side. The 3's on the left, they cancel out. So 11 minus 3, which is 8. So you get 2x equals 8. Again, to isolate the variable here, you need to do the opposite operation. So divide by 2 on both sides of the equation. So you have x equals 4. That's the answer. Let's see the next question. Say if 5x minus 2 equals 18. Yes, we need to isolate the variable. Get rid of 2 and 5. So get rid of 2. You add 2 on both sides of the equation to get rid of that number 2, as it is minus already. So 18 plus 2 on the right side, you get 20. The 2's on the left, they cancel out. So you get 5x equals 20. Now, to isolate x here, you do the opposite of multiplication. So you divide by 5 on both sides of the equation. When we do that, 5's on the left, they cancel out. You get 20 divided by 5, that is 4. So x equals 4. So finally, Alex was able to solve the mystery equation and found the treasure. Thanks for watching.